Craving restaurant quality chicken tenders without the greasy mess and wait times? This is the recipe for you. These honey garlic chicken tenders are the perfect blend of sweet and savory that are sure to be a hit for your next dinner. We'll cook the breaded chicken tenders in the air fryer first, then coat them in a honey garlic sauce afterwards. Here's the recipe. Begin by patting dry 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Grab your cutting board and trim off any excess fat on your chicken breasts. Then cut them into strips so they resemble chicken tenders. Preheat your air fryer on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Take out a large bowl for your breadcrumb mixture. I already have 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs in this bowl. For our seasonings, we're using 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon black pepper. Mix the seasonings into the breadcrumbs. Take out a small bowl for your egg wash. Crack open and add 3 large eggs into your bowl. Whisk everything together. Take out a third bowl for your flour. I already have 2 cups of all-purpose flour here. Now we'll bread our chicken tenders. Begin by taking your chicken tender and coating it in the flour. Follow that by coating it in the egg wash. Finally, coat it in the breadcrumb mixture. Place your coated chicken tender in your air fryer basket. Repeat this process until you've filled up your air fryer. Be sure to leave a little bit of space in between each piece. Cook these on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes have passed, check up on them and gently flip them over. Then finish cooking them for another 5 minutes. After 10 total minutes, these should be cooked and good to remove from the air fryer. Finish cooking any leftover chicken tenders that you still have remaining. Now for the honey garlic sauce. Place a skillet on your stove. Don't turn on the heat just yet. Add 4 tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of honey, 4 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and half a cup of low sodium soy sauce. Mix everything together. Turn your burner on medium heat, then let it heat up for 3 to 4 minutes while stirring occasionally. After it has heated up, take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and add 2 tablespoons of water to it and mix it together. Then add it into your sauce and stir everything together until it thickens up. After a few minutes, start adding your chicken tenders and roll them in the sauce until they are fully coated. Once you're done, transfer them to a bowl or plate. Garnish them with some sesame seeds and sliced green onions. And you're ready to serve your honey garlic chicken tenders. Enjoy these by themselves or with a side of rice and vegetables. You can even make a sandwich or wrap with them if you prefer. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator where they will last for up to 3 days. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.